We get like top store. Yo, man, I tell all that shit. Yo, boy, yo. You big man thing, man, I tell all that, yo. Black brothers. Who never run some out bank yard yet, I mean? Who take your hair pussy and cut up? You know what? Happy ear jakes are dry that pussy, you know. Then you would not just slow down to that pussy. Yeah, pussy. You know what? And a big pussy, big man. Some pussy come with ear jakes. Them something that lock up. Yeah, man. Oi. Me with all the while jakes and lick. Pop, pop. Yeah, man. When you run too long, when you go too fast, you gotta turn on the ear jakes. But yo. No, man, yo. Here we are, man. Here we are, man. No, you're not You. Last night, me now want to be out, so me not tell no lie. When me dey for the bed before you fuck, but guess what? To a bad man place, me can't say nothing. So me na the girl was some blood clot and put no ear rat in a one dress away girl at there. And some blood clot 12 aside in the plate like just a day go. And then me now can't tell the girl say be rat in the blood clot place. Bad man place. Me have to see myself and food. But now me out, me a talk about go back. Yeah. Oh yeah, man, yo. People, what are that, brother? You don't wonder this man. What are the prettiest girl ever be tired this world? Why? You don't understand. Some girl pretty and them all tired, you fuck. Just look on them and oh God Almighty, come like I want to heal your glass. I feel like I'm crying to pussy class, brother. God. Me wake up and go and say God put good pussy for a man. That's true. Because when I'm telling you, say, boss, James in the man, mad, yo, fucking up.